20.
We're twins!
Yeah, look at that. We like to go ziplining. We might have went there together when we got married, because we're married. So here we are. We're at the Red Arrow Diner.
We've never officially reviewed this restaurant, but we eat here every time we come to Cleom, so...
I guess it's not a diner either. It's a drive-in.
You can guess how it's going to be rated. Oliver thinks that he should get to go in, but they won't let him.
And his breath is fantastic.
Okay, we will review it for you anyway, even though we eat here all the time.
And it's
because
fantastic.
It's delicious.
We're not biased, though.
No, this is a completely unbiased review.
We were not paid for our testimony.
Whoa. Show that to the camera.
Oh my god, hoagie roll.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we now have full tummies and
We're looking for some wood.
firewood, that is.
Yeah, not whiskey dick wood.
However, the Red Arrow did not disappoint.
Never does.
I think you got your new favorite sandwich from there.
Yes, I don't even know what it was called. The giant something or other.
McGuire.
The giant McGuire.
It was on
burger.
a hoagie
It was
roll.
on a hoagie roll, 2 patties, fried onions, cheese, grilled mushrooms,
Pickles.
pickles, barbecue sauce, and lettuce. It was amazing. Yeah,
Oliver thinks the fries are good. You got some crinkle cut fries and some meat.
I give it a solid 8.5 because the place is always spotless. Everybody in there is nice.
I give it a 9.
Oh, wow. Whoa, hello.
Going big, going big.
What do you say, Oliver?
He definitely gives it a 9 because he
You
got
got a
earnings.
9-inch tongue back there.
I had my bacon blue burger, which was fantastic. Plenty of blue cheese, lots of crispy bacon, lots of sauce, and the buns this time weren't dry. Sometimes they're dry.
I
They use
think it's
Kaiser
because they
rolls.
toast them, though. They toast the Kaiser roll, and
Yeah, but
Kaisers
this time,
don't toast well.
this time it was perfect. Just spot on.
That hoagie roll with the 2 patties was a slippery thing to eat, but
He ended up with it all over.
yeah.
He had to go wash his hands.
I had to take a shower afterwards in the sink.
I didn't.
That's why I'm glistening in the facial area.
Okay, we're gonna go get firewood. Oliver says, enough already. Let's go out and do zoomies.
Peace out. Not
Going
that
to-
way. That way is F you in
Yeah,
Australia.
This way.
What about that?
Oh! It was closed.
No cigar.
So now we're trying another spot.
Closed till May 1st.
Wildlife wintering protection. Also, my lap dog, doesn't he look cozy? He's really helpful at navigating too. So next we thought we'd head up Menashtash.
Closed.
Winter elk closure in effect. Turn around. Well, we made it somewhere. It's an actual campground. It's the, if you don't know where else to go, go to Sand Hollow. Now this is my kind of morning. 7:45, and we picked the site that the sun hits first. On accident, of course, because it was dark when we got here. We're in an actual campground today. As you saw last night, both off-grid places we tried were closed for the wintering of wildlife. But I do believe we are the only ones here. Oliver is practicing leave it better than you found it. And he gathered some garbage from the shrubs. Of course, now he will play with it until we throw it away. Yes, he's a garbage hound. How's your coffee?
Fantastic. Drop it right there.
Oliver's in his favorite spot, the kitchen. I not only review restaurants, I also review my husband's food.
I'm not worried.
Breakfast sandwich. I'd pay good money for that. Alright, we're off. Oh, hi. This is Oliver. Oliver's a lap dog. He likes to hang out on Mom's lap and be really, really wiggly when I'm trying to navigate.
I just backed into a rock.
Luckily with the tire, not the body of the Jeep. In a campground.
I'm new to this driving thing.
Yeah. Oh look, the side of your phone is in our video.
We gotta pay for our campsite.
Yeah, we didn't pay last night because it was late and cold. We're gonna pay today. We want to support the Grant Public Utility District.
Definitely.
Since they give us this super awesome campground. Alright, see you later.
You don't need to get on top of anything, just lay down.
We are off to get gas in George. And then we're headed to...
Whiskey Dick OHV area.
It's a 34-mile loop. And we're gonna camp there tonight.
And we're not gonna get Whiskey Dick because we don't even have any alcohol.
I don't even know what that is.
It's when your wiener does it. Because you drank too much whiskey.
Oh! That is not getting in the video. We are at Whiskey Dick.
Off-road vehicle area.
We're gonna go exploring. Let's have fun.
Back.
The area we wanted to go is closed until May 1st.
Every area we've went to is closed till May 1st because adventurers are sure for overlanders. Just kidding. Totally overlanders.
Adventurers don't go out until May, according to the Washington State.
I don't think it's about that. I think it's more that they don't want all the wildlife bothered by all the people.
Yes, I know, but I wanted to go there. So now we have to decide if we're going back over by the Seep flipping Saturday. Be flipping Saturday.
It is flipping Saturday because Saturday, and we're torn on which way to go.
Okay,
We also aired down and don't have the compressor installed, so now we have like 20 pounds of air and we're driving wherever. It's cool.
I gotta find a good
Coin?
I got a dime. That's a teeny tiny
That's
coin.
pretty hard to flip, but
I got a dime or a penny. Maybe there's a nickel in here. Nope, that's a penny.
I don't have any change.
I got a dime. We're flipping a dime.
9 and up.
Okay, so the heads is
potholes.
potholes. Okay.
Seat plates, wilderness.
And tails is
the other way.
The other way. Okay.
I'm not gonna look.
You just watch the road. I'm gonna try and flip this without breaking anything. I lost
Get down.
it. I don't know.
I landed in the cup holder by the chink of the glass.
Oh. Hold on. Let me try that again. And the winner is, drumroll please. I forgot which side was which. Tails is the other place, right?
Tails is the other place.
The other place it is.
All right.
Washington. Quincy, Washington does not have very many food options. We did, however, find
Hacienda.
La Hacienda.
Oh, La Hacienda.
La Hacienda. A Mexican restaurant that says it has friendly wait staff and they're open, which is another plus because like 90% of the restaurants here are closed. We tried. The doors are locked even though the open sign is on. This might be the only place in town that's actually open. Okay, what do you have?
Pork grenade burrito.
What is it?
Fantastic. And hot.
Hot. I have my old standby, a chili relleno and a cheese enchilada. Cheese. It's hot.
Full.
I'm full. Satisfied. That was good.
Yeah.
Very traditional restaurant.
Yeah, no thrills, just real. Like, I don't know. I don't know if it's authentic Mexican food, but
Said it was on the menu.
it always does. I've never.
Since I haven't been to Mexico, I can't answer
I've been to
that
Mexico
for sure.
and I did not have that in Mexico. So, but anyways, it was good.
So, what would you rank the only restaurant that's open in Quincy?
I would give it a 10 out of all the restaurants in Quincy.
Okay, what would you give it in general?
I would give it a solid 7 in general.
Man, you're harsh.
I don't know. It was had a pork verde burrito, just like verde and pork, and rice and beans.
Yeah, definitely. I would give it a 7.5.
Oh, you always gotta up me one.
Or down, depending.
Why you gotta be like that?
Okay, now we're gonna go find somewhere to camp. We toured around Douglas Creek area. It's BLM land outside of Quincy, Washington. And we drove around, drove to one end, Then started to drive towards the middle. It was very sloggy. So we turned around and came back to the spot we originally found that we'd been to once before but never camped here on the waterfalls. So we're setting up camp for the night. Got our fire pit ready. The sun setting over the hills. Another fabulous meal in the making. It's our old standby, but with zucchini and yellow squash instead of asparagus, because they were out of asparagus. It is yakisoba noodles, onion, mushroom, zucchini, yellow squash, and soon to be added marinated barbecued flank steak. This fella right here is our camp chef. Skillet master in.
I make all the stuff.
He makes all the stuffs. You know, you might be interested in hiring him to be your chuck wagon on your next trail adventure.
Yeah,
you know,
something like that.
If you'd be interested, you should totally leave a message in the comments. He's a really good cook. Just ask him.
Yeah, I'm the best.
Soon we have a much better kitchen setup with a roll-out fridge, stove combo, and a fancy tailgate table. Still our propane tank and our other extra table. But yeah, we could really serve your needs. I mean, look at this. Yeah. That smells amazing. I'll tell you how it tastes in just a minute. Can't beat this. Yummy dinner around the campfire inside a canyon. Right on the edge of the river.
Ooh, y'all.
Here we have it. Dinner is served. It's glorious. No, Ollie, you can't have any. It's mine. All mine. Good, how are you? It's cold and windy this morning. It was a cold morning today.
Yeah, it was brisk out there and windy.
We didn't even have coffee at camp, so I haven't had coffee yet.
We just packed up and left because it was cold, windy, and the sun was nowhere near us. And
Until we left.
Right about the time we left, the sun was shining on the campsite, but it was still cold and windy.
Yeah. So instead, we're going to make our way home, and we're going to take a quick detour to Leavenworth and do a breakfast review for you. Seems like a great plan, right? So, after we get done bouncing down this road, I'm going to turn this off so it don't make you sick. We'll see you soon. We're at the Danish Bakery, established in 1967. And you guessed it, in Leavenworth. Ollie and I are having to wait outside. Dad went in to get treats. We went a little crazy. Let's see what else we got. Oh my. Here's all the stuff we're going to try.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try it too.
So I have whipped cream in the middle.
Oh, that's really sweet.
It's delicate and sweet.
That's yummy. What else we have?
Some pretzel. We have cheese and sweet and spicy mustard, or sweet and hot mustard. Here, let's.
I didn't know that you were that way. That you know.
Here. Tell us what you think.
What do you think, Ollie?
Is it good? A little chewy? That's good.
Okay, with the cheese. Baked cheese is always good. I want the mushroom.
Dip your pinky in it first. It's got a little horseradish ring to it.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of the mustard. No. I need to wash that down with some of this.
You never know what you're going to get when it comes to
Okay, try that one.
cream cheesy and sweet and delicious.
So,
You ate it all done.
Good.
But I'm over here now. Oh, now I'm over here.
I'm gonna try this through. Yeah, this looks delicious.
A little tart from the cherry.
It's so delicate though.
You need to put that on top of that.
It's definitely good. Cooking up hot dogs on the side of the road. View of the lake. This is how we roll. Barbecue on the side of the road. It's our roadside hot dog. Oh, there's cheese on there too. Nope, that's onion.
Cream cheese.
Oh yeah. Roadside hot dogs with an epic view. Great way to end an adventure.